Hi guys, welcome to this last part of our tutorial integrating React with an existing web app. On this video I'll show you how you can use JQuery UI with React. So on the last video we completed our counter component. So we implemented increase, decrease, reset, auto counter, and stop counter. So in this video I'll show you how to display a dialog when the counter reaches to 10. So let's see how to do that. First of all, we need to notice that Bootstrap uses JQuery slim version. So for JQuery UI to work properly, we need to have the full version of JQuery. So let's get the library. Okay. So there we go. Okay, we'll use this version, which is the same version as Bootstrap. So we'll replace it. Okay. Next thing is to get the JQuery UI library. JQuery UI latest version from 5. Okay, let's copy it. Save it. And finally we need to pick a theme. So that's the CSS for the jQuery UI. So I will use the Redmond theme. Okay, we'll copy it. We add the CSS. We don't have to do this. And that's it. We are ready to use jQuery UI. So let's do a quick example. I'll create a div here. So we call it pop-up. Says title, counter, stopped. So we'll create a script. We don't have to do this because by default the browser picks JavaScript. But okay, when the document loads, what we're gonna do is our pop-up, we call the dialog component. We say model true. Okay, let's refresh our page, and yep, the dialog is showing up. So good. Okay, we don't need this, and we don't need this. So what we're gonna do is in our counter component, we're gonna add a new div. We say pop-up, title, counter, stopped, and the style for this, we'll say display none. Okay, the style is an object in React, so we have to specify the properties of this object. That's why we use the curly braces. and we can say counter has reached maximum value, and we can display the value, okay, which is the counter. Okay, now when we stop, we say pop-up is equal to pop-up dialog model true. Okay, that should be enough to display our pop-up. Okay, let's refresh our page. So auto counter, and that's it. It's working fine. Okay, we are using a React use effect to load up our pop-up. Use effect runs when the component is rendered, and I think that should be the best place where to call our jQuery UI components. Okay, I think we have covered pretty much everything that we need to know how to integrate React with an existing web app. And please don't forget to like this video, and if you want me to cover any particular topic or if you have any suggestions, please leave your comments on YouTube. See you on the next video. Bye for now.